I'm never going to ask you guys to do anything on camera that I won't do first, okay? And when I do it, then I'm going to do all these videos first. We'll replay them, break them down. You ask questions. Do I want you to be me? Good God, no. I don't want you to be me. I want you to be better versions of you. Is there only one way to do any particular? No, there's multiple ways to do it. I'm not here to make good movies. I'm here to make good salespeople better salespeople, okay? Giselle, I'm going to ask you how many keys to your car, how many keys do you have to your car? I want you to respond with one. Okay? I'm going to do it kind of gently. I'm going to do it in a manner that will not get her to fight me, like I fought you. Because can customers be just a bit obnoxious from time to time? Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. I don't know how they are in Bakersfield, but remember I spent last week in New Jersey. Giselle, how many keys to your vehicle do you have?
Just one.
Oh my gosh. Giselle, where is the other key?
I lost it.
No chance of finding it?
No.
Okay, and the reason I'm asking is those keys are so expensive to replace. Basically, they're little mini computers. They require programming. But wait a minute. You know what? You might have coverage that'll replace this key for you. Did you buy key replacement by any chance?
No.
Okay. Okay, and the reason I ask is if you've got two keys, your vehicle is literally worth more than it would be with just one key. But not to worry, the vehicle that you're looking at comes with key replacement complimentary for the first 6 months. And if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than 6 months, and I bet you do, make sure you check with PJ or one of her people, and they'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 2, 3, even 4 or 5 years, okay?
Perfect.
Okay, so did you get mad at me at all?